poppin' Playboys? Welcome back to the channel. And for the new subscribers, what's up? What's poppin'? How you guys been? Happy 2020. Hope you guys are living life. It's been 3 days. I put 2 fingers up. It's been 3 days in, and so far 2020 has been looking pretty beneficial. So yeah, today's video is gonna be a little, I don't even know what to call this video. Today's video is we're going to talk about 5 mods that you must have on any car you buy. SI, 350, Miata, anything, GTRs, Lambos. Well, not exotics, because exotics are just exotics. But yeah, today it's going to be a fun day. Let's get into it. So if you guys are looking to buy a car to modify and you want it to look pretty cool, because stock cars do look pretty ass sometimes depending on what stock car you get. But like a SI, I'm not gonna lie, when I first got this 9th gen, like the stock look of the 9th gen is like, you could tell it has potential, but like in the stock form it just looks ugly. Like the wheel gap is like 5 inches. The wheel gap is crazy. The front end looked like somebody punched the bottom of your mouth in. Like I didn't really like the look of the 9th gen. That's why I really wanted the 8th gen. But the 9th gen, you know, I did my little touches and I got this bad boy looking sexy. But the first mod you guys should do is obviously get a lip. Well, you do any of these mods in any step, but my first mod was a lip because like I really didn't like how this car looked without a lip. So I was quick to buy one. I bought my first lip for like $100, so it's not really expensive if you guys really wanted to buy a lip. But yeah, that was my first mod on the car. I had bought a beautiful lip. Well, not this one, that's on the car now. But I had bought a cheap little lip off of eBay. I could put the link in the bio if you guys want to purchase that one. I think it's called like A-Spec. And yeah, had the car look totally different. I'm gonna show you guys a little picture right here. Wait, where's my finger? Right here. And yeah, that's how the car looked with that lip. And I kind of missed that lip because it was pretty clean. And I had it matched to the car, so hey, whatever. I got this beautiful lip right now and I'm not complaining. The second mod you guys should do is obviously lowering the car. If that's springs, bags, coils, don't cut your springs. That's just horrible. Don't you do that. Don't do it. But yeah, just lower your car. I'm on Rev 9 coils. If I didn't tell you guys like that for like the 100th time. But yeah, I'm on Rev 9 coils. They cost me $450 or something like that, or like I don't remember. I bought it so long ago, but it wasn't that expensive. And they come with adjustable dampening and they had adjustable camber, so I didn't really complain. It was a good price. It's just on the heavier side of coils. If you're looking for that lightweight coils, don't buy a Rev 9 coils. But for the ride and the price and all the stuff it comes with, you can't really beat the price. It's pretty good. So yeah, lower your car. Even if you don't have the money, you can buy some springs. Springs are like $100. You can even get some used for $50. And if you guys are watching this video, you don't own a 9th gen, you guys could probably find springs cheaper for whatever car you guys are modifying. So yeah, man, I definitely recommend lowering your car because it does change up how the car looks, and it does give the car a little bit better performance, and you could corner better. And I believe that it helps with gas. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm sorry, I didn't mean stupid. For the third mod, and this is probably one of the cheapest mods you guys can do to your car, I recommend you guys tinting your windows, or tinting your headlights, or tinting your tail lights. It just gives your car a more aggressive look than having a fishbowl, and plus you get that privacy. You get that benefit of not having a hot car if you live in Florida or you just live in a hot state. Your car's not scorching hot every time you get inside. And we all have these moments. Oh man, I gotta go to work today. Oh, let me put my seatbelt on. Oh man, dang, it's hot in here. Ooh, it is hot. Ah, damn. Oh my gosh. And that's why you need to get some good tent. And don't get some cheap tent out for like the flea market or like, I don't know. Don't do that, because then you're gonna be very, very mad when it starts bubbling and you guys can't fix that. And it just looks like you guys like, I don't know, just look like somebody spit on your back window. So yeah, don't do that. If you guys do want to do your tents by yourself, I don't have any recommendations on what sites to use to get that, so that's up to you. You guys got to do that searching. But yeah, man, that's a good way to make your car look cool and darker like this. Wow, look, you can't even see inside, you just see me. Hi, my name's Sean. My name is Jeff. For the fourth and probably one of the best mods you could do to any car, I recommend you guys getting some wheels and tires of any choice. It could be reps, it could be 3-piece wheels, it could be some used wheels you found laying down on the street, on the corner of like Biscayne, I don't know. Just get yourself some wheels, because it does set off the car nice and it does make your car look totally different. If you got some nice stock wheels and you love your stock wheels, I'm not telling you to change your wheels, but I changed my wheels, and the 9th gen stock wheels are freaking beautiful. I'm gonna put a picture of my car with them on while it's being lowered with a lip. It's just stock 9th gen. Like, yo, whoever came up with the design of stock 9th gen wheels, kudos to you, because those are beautiful. You are a smart, wonderful man, and I will hug you if I ever met you. For a lot of people who's running what wheels and tires I'm running, these are Ahans, however you guys want to pronounce it. Alhan what are they? They're Alhan AH07s. They're 18 by 8.5 plus 35 offset, and then I'm running a Achilles, or I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Achilles Super Street Sports or something like that. Super Street Sports 225 45. I don't even know what wheel setup I'm running. I think it's 45 or 40s. They're 40s. No, wait, are they? Yeah, they're 225 40s, and yeah, they looks pretty nice. And I got that flush fit me, you know what I mean? You see that? Pretty flush. And yeah, that's my wheel and tire setup for my car. Obviously, you guys can change it up and go with the different wheels, or go with a wider tire. I don't know, whatever you guys want to do. It's your build, you build it to your liking. And for the fifth and probably the most important mod is obviously installing a axle back or cat back or full exhaust, whatever you guys want to call it, or wherever you guys got money for. These are just like make the car a totally different car. It puts smiles on your face. It's just like, I don't know, it makes the car wake up a little bit more too. And plus you get that satisfaction of just like hitting a tunnel full throttle and just hearing your car scream. Like, who wouldn't love that? And if you want to be really cheap, you could take time and go to an exhaust shop and just work with them and you know, change up your exhaust system and get like a muffler delete, resonator delete. I don't recommend getting muffler deletes on a Civic because they do sound ricey when you do that. They sound like a weed whacker, and yeah, it doesn't sound really good, to be honest with you guys. There's multiple exhaust brands you guys could get if you guys are looking to get like a full exhaust. We have Nvidia, we have Full Race, there's Skunk 2, there's Bully Cub. There's a whole bunch of companies you guys can get for exhaust. But for me, I'm running Pseudo. I listened to whoever put that comment in my last video. Well, one of my last videos. I'm running a Pseudo catback exhaust. Well, it's like a full exhaust, I guess. It goes from the muffler all the way up to the downpipe. And yeah, man, sounds pretty good. I'm gonna give you guys a sound clip right here so you guys can hear it. I love this exhaust. It's deep, it's not raspy, and it's also not drony as you like, you know, driving on the highway. As you guys can see, it didn't sound raspy at all. It sounds pretty deep and pretty beefy, like aggressive. Let you know that I ain't playing with these boys out here, man. Bruh, shut your bitch ass up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Those were the 5 top mods that should be done to any car and every car. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also go follow your boy on _GotTheSoda on Instagram so you guys can be updated for future video and also like future stuff that I do on the car. And yeah, man, that's where I'm gonna end the video. Your boy's out. Peace.